Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So in this video I will be talking about a question. So I want to get ready for JD. JD means job description on the job portal for Dell Boomi development role. Okay, so Dell Boomi is the integration product, and this candidate already identified the JD and wanted to get ready for that particular JD. So let's say this candidate went on this job portal and hunted some position, let's say 2 to 7 year position, this position, and what we will need is we will require JD for that position. So if you click on this, you will see this detailed JD is written over here. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show in this particular video. It is detailed practical video, so duration will be little bit long, so have patience to watch and understand each and every step. This is the URL to open the system, mockstar.myuniversity.com. In case, and I am assuming that you already have the access of this particular system. If not, ping me on the WhatsApp and we'll connect you with my team, and all details you will receive to get the access. Okay, so let us get started. Let us just put this. So okay, so I'm just opening this system, going ahead and typing the URL mockstar.myuniversity.com. Let's open. Assuming that you already have the access of that, so you will click on JD based mock interview. Click on start course. You can read out all the instructions. Click on start course. It is just created, this system is created as a course, so don't get confused with the word course. Just put your first name, last name, and whatever your registered email address, you put that, that's what. So assuming that you already registered, if not, I already gave my WhatsApp number, ping me, will help you out. So click on this checkbox, get access link. Let us go to the email address. We got the email, we will get the email here. Yes, we got it. Open that, verify email address, and it will be logging into the system. So now you can see that it is all good, and once you click on start course, it is actually jumping into that. Then you put your register email ID. Once if it is not working, so I click on this, it doesn't work, refresh the page. That's the hack, Put your email address, click on the button again, it will work. Okay, so click on JD based mock interview. In case if you already given some interviews, you can go to view history. So click on JD based mock interview role. So I go to here and I just get that role. Dell Boomi developer is the role. Let me get that and let me put that in the system where it is. Okay, just hold on. Okay, here it is. So this is the designation round. Let's say I want to go for technical round. I can go to technical, I can go to HR also. So let's go to technical. Select type. Internship we are not concerned with. Select job and the JD. Whatever is the detailed JD is there. Copy that up to this point. Copy it, Control C, and put it inside this box. Okay, and just click on submit form. It will create the interview questions and everything based on your JD. Okay, so fine. It is showing you the interview environment. It is asking about the camera, allow. It is asking about the microphone, allow. So it will ask about the microphone also. Yes, say allow. Okay, so now my video camera is appearing over there. Even if it is appearing half, don't worry much about that. Check the voice quality, click on this button. Hello, 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 hello. So using your mic, you just give the voice is quality good. Okay, then you can read out these general instructions. Click on the answer button whenever you want to answer any question. Your interview will appear in front of you. He will ask the question, and then you can click on answer button, speak out your answer and say end answer. That's the process. Then complete final analytics report you will get. The feedback report, feedback scorecard you will get at the end. That is there. Transcription text, if it is not accurate, don't worry much about that. Even lip syncing is not that accurate. AI avatar, and right now whenever we are recording this video, lip syncing is the issue. Maybe it will be solved in future, but right now don't bother about that. Okay, and use the headphone for the better experience. It is there. Click on the start interview.
Hey, hope you're having a great day. My name is Karthik and I will be your interviewer for this round. Let's begin. What are some best practices you follow when writing code for Boomi integrations?
Okay, so Karthik is the interviewer and he started the technical interview, Now casually I will answer some of the questions and leave some of the questions. Okay, let me click on answer it and end answer. Karthik, actually while I write the code for Boomi integration, I need to follow all the coding conventions well. I need to follow about the format, whatever is incoming and whatever is outgoing. That's how it is, Karthik. Thank you.
Can you give a specific example of a coding convention you use and how it improves your Boomi integrations?
Yes, sure, Karthik. Basically, we have used the camel casing coding convention, Hungarian notation, whatever we follow in Java, So same coding convention we followed in Boomi integration. So I literally give any crap answers, to see the score.
How would you approach testing an integration to ensure it's functioning correctly?
Sorry, Karthik, I cannot answer that. So just to wind up the interview earlier, I'm just giving casual answer.
Could you describe a time you tested any piece of software or code?
Yes, I have tested that by means of automated testing, using Selenium.
How would you approach documenting a Boomi integration process for future maintenance and troubleshooting?
So I need to create the deployment document for that, and that deployment document will be very step by step, Karthik.
Can you elaborate on what specific steps you'd include in this deployment document?
Okay, so based on your JD depth and based of your JD detailing, actually this whole interview is getting generated. So if JD is quite detailed, so you will have the detailed set of questions in the whole interview. Deployment documents contain my coding convention, variable values, constant values, and all that, Karthik. Thank you.
What are some common performance optimization techniques you would use when developing Boomi integrations?
I'm going to just pass the question now. Sorry, Karthik, I don't have answer of this. Thank you.
Could you describe your experience working with Boomi integrations, even if you haven't focused on optimization specifically?
So I just worked on the data transformation part, Karthik. So I literally giving casual answer, folks. Okay, so my interview is over and it is consolidating the scorecard. Let's wait. Creating actionable feedback. It will give you detailed feedback, So you will come to know that how was your body language, how was your knowledge, how was your tone, how was your grammar, and everything you come to know as a part of this scorecard. Let's see. Of course, technical scorecard. So this is technical scorecard. You can see domain knowledge, articulation, problem solving for question wise thing. 8 questions it asks, and you can see domain knowledge, what went well. It is giving you the appreciative feedback. What could be better? So improvement suggestion, and missing technology, something which you have to mention but you have not mentioned. That is what recommended response is, this one. So this is the ideal response, So for the case of technical domain knowledge, you will able to get that. Articulation, how you articulated your answer, what went well, what could be better. Make sure that you study it well before appearing for the next time. Then problem solving. So how the problem solving is reflected in your answer. What could be better, that is important thing to understand. There is a video also for your interview, you can download that. Only 30 minutes it's available, but hardly we require that video. So that's how it is. Question 2, you can see the feedback, question 3, and this is what the consolidated feedback. If you go to practice history, you will able to see this Dell Boomi technical round. 19 is your score, very bad, you know. And if you click on view analytics, you will able to see the analytics really. Okay, so that's how it is. You can go for the next round also. Let's say HR round. So let us go to root HR URL once again. Click on JD based mock interview. Click on start course and then click on get started, which is not working. So let us give this again and let us refresh this once. And let us give this again and say get started. Now it is working. JD based mock interview, put the role whatever you have. So let's say your role is Dell Boomi developer. So let us put it. Then the round will be HR this time. And type will be job. And job description definitely you will require. Okay, so this is what a job description. So let us put it there. Submit the form. Okay, check the voice quality. So you can see that hello, hello, hello. It will say voice is good. So it is same as the technical round, you know. Perfect. Start interview. All the instructions are here. Start interview. This is HR round now.
Hey, hope you're having a great day. My name is Sunil and I will be your interviewer for this round. Let's begin. Have you ever had to deal with a challenging situation with a teammate? How did you handle it?
Okay, so it is asking me the question. Sunil is asking me, have you ever had deal with have to deal with the challenging situation with a teammate, you know? Okay. Yes, Sunil. So in my team, there was one senior person who was literally more than senior than me. So he has to work in the team, you know, and I was handling the team as a tech lead. So it was very challenging to really assertively handle that person, you know. So maybe whatever feedback he is giving, whatever problems he is sharing, I need to really positively handle that. So that's how I handle that.
Can you share a specific example of feedback you gave the senior teammate and how they responded?
Okay, so this is the related question Smart Lead is asking, which is depending on my previous response. Yes, Sunil. Basically, I really appreciated that senior teammate in public. I really took the input, really took the feedback positively. So that teammate felt valued, you know, and whatever constructive feedback I wanted to give you in one-to-one manner as a part of appraisal, I have given that. So I think that works really well for me.
Describe a situation where you had to learn a new technology quickly. How did you approach the learning process?
So Sunil, I had to learn web services overnight, you know. I was not aware that whenever I started my career. So actually I took the help of YouTube videos and a lot of code I have written, you know, and that's how I followed the learning process. Yeah, thanks Sunil.
Can you give a specific example of a web service you learned and a problem you solved using it?
Sure, Sunil. It was a soap-based web service I learned, and it actually was the shopping kind of web service.
What are your thoughts on working in a fast-paced environment with tight deadlines?
So frankly speaking, this fast-paced environment and all is good, but the productivity should not be the product quality should not get compromised. You know, that's what my thought.
Can you share an example where you balanced speed and quality under pressure?
Yeah, so basically in the Diwali time, we were about to miss the deadline, you know. So in that case, I have to really motivate the whole team to really deliver a lot, you know. That's what. and even they were under pressure, they performed really well and they gave the output very speedy way. Okay, so finally interview is over, and based on the JD, it just formulate your detailed interview, So let's see what's the response. Uploading your responses, analyzing your interview, and creating actionable feedback. %, not that good really, but okay. So communication, body language, and teamwork. You can see even body language, eye contact with the interviewer. This is amazing, my dear friends. So 80% of the time you followed that, that's great. 37% head facing center, so 40% minimum requirement. Confidence level 92%. So maybe I'm talking that way, that's my body language. For question 1, body language, question 2, question 3, question 4, and this is how the body language 70% consolidated feedback. Okay, you can go to communication, you can go to teamwork, and you can see what went well, what would have been better. Video is also there. If you want, you can download that, but hardly we require to download the video. That's fine. The scorecard will be always there, that's what. In case if you have any doubt in referring the scorecard and all, feel free to ping me on my WhatsApp. I'm always around to help you out, guys. I will give you my team's WhatsApp number also in some time. Okay, go to practice history and you will see that HR round Dell Boomi developer and technical round Dell Boomi developer, that's done. 22 in the technical round, and you can see 54 in the HR round. So not very encouraging store, but you can improve that. You can click on view analytics and you can see it again. Okay, like that. Okay, so here you can click on view analytics and you can report. So this is how this system will work for you. You can give unlimited number of interviews and you can improve till you score 90% in each area. That is what your target is, and keep checking that, keep executing that and keep using that. Then this system will be really working perfect for you. So this is how you can target Dell Boomi developer role, which is based on a particular JD, that very specific position you are actually targeting. So I hope this is useful for you. In case if you have any question, you can just drop me the message. I'm always around to help. I'm giving my team's WhatsApp number also here. Go ahead and ping them. Also in the description, I'm giving the link with which you can purchase this Mockstar software, which is very reasonable cost. Go ahead and do it today. We always have limited set of accounts, so make sure that you are lucky to grab the account. Okay, do it immediately. So thanks for watching this video, friends. All the best for your Dell Boomi interview preparation and jump into Mockstar. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.